Today we learn action verbs in English and Hindi. Let's start. Run. Run means दौड़ना. Jump. Jump means कूदना. Eat. Eat means खाना. Sleep. Sleep means सोना. Read. Read means पढ़ना. Write. Write means लिखना. Swim. Swim means तैरना. Sing. Sing means गाना गाना. Dance. Dance means नृत्य करना. Talk. Talk means बात करना. Listen. Listen means सुनना. Laugh. Laugh means हंसना. Cry. Cry means रोना. Play. Play means खेलना. Cook. Cook means खाना बनाना. Drive. Drive means ड्राइव करना. Fly. Fly means उड़ना. Climb. Climb means चढ़ना. Walk. Walk means चलना. Smile. Smile means मुस्कुराना. Study. Study means पढ़ाई करना. Build. Build means बनाना. Teach. Teach means सिखाना. Learn. Learn means सीखना. Help. Help means मदद करना. Hurt. Hurt means चोट पहुंचाना. Paint. Paint means रंग भरना. Ride. Ride means सवारी करना. Push. Push means धकेलना. Pull. Pull means खींचना. Buy. Buy means खरीदना. Sell. Sell means बेचना. Fight. Fight means लड़ना. Win. Win means जीतना. Lose. Lose means हारना. Travel. Travel means यात्रा करना. Clean. Clean means सफाई करना. Open. Open means खोलना. Close. Close means बंद करना. Watch. Watch means देखना. Think. Think means सोचना. drink. Drink means पीना. Sit. Sit means बैठना. Stand. Stand means खड़ा होना. Dream. Dream means सपना देखना. Slip. Slip means फिसलना. Wash. Wash means धोना. Yawn. Yawn means जम्भाई लेना. Fall. Fall means गिरना. Taste. Taste means चखना. अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगे तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए और चैनल पर नए तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए. इसी तरह का और एजुकेशनल वीडियो देखने के लिए बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें. सो थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.